Liberation fi Bangkok, freedom fi Bangkok, yellow fi Bangkok.
They call me Ike. Amen to amen. Look, once again, yeah, they call me Ike. I've been the flies, looking so fly from the snapback down to the Nikes. Wish you dude would try me mad, cause I'm top rhyming, shining like a diamond, reclining, cause the whole army lining. A young radical, money flip mathematical, never irrational. Not from New York down to Malibu, I alley-oop. So my niggas stop for who body you. Bring the pain with no Tylenol, stay focused, no Adderall. Back at it, yo, with a couple hoes, no Santa Claus. One verse who fuck up your whole catalog. Spitting hella bars, going really raw. I got these whack rappers feeling like old women on menopause. Rap prima donna, blowing marijuana. Rappers buy like piranhas, cause my kick get Maradona. I lust a fly vagina, a mixture of Rihanna and Madonna that blow your brains out like Nirvana. But people secret, my music coming through speakers. I keep it cleanest, I serve niggas like subpoenas. Fly genius who fly sneakers, rock shows at arenas. Niggas shopping at Neiman's while my people still scheming. Yeah, they trying to battle me, niggas is trying to rattle me. Dudes still dying in the hood, it's such a tragedy, still broke, it's a joke.